Okay, so we're talking about the symmetry and all that. So we have horizontal, vertical, radial, and Kalido. For symmetry, is more like if for I mostly see people that work with things like patterns and all that usually use symmetry, and me also use it sometimes when I just want to be funny, or when I'm working on the eye people. Sorry. So that's just about symmetry. That's just about it. So just as you see the vertical, you also have one for horizontal. Just like that. It's all messed up. And that's how you have the radial. Always at the radial, you can choose number of planes. The highest here I'm seeing here is 18. So if I want to have a radial, this is coming. After unlock it, let's take this one out. So this is 18. If I try to get the coffee, I'm seeing this 18. So yeah, this is it. Then you have Kalido. I don't know what different thing is Kalido. The Kalido is more like the whole of lane. It's more like you can do more with that thing. Well, they're all complicated. It's all left to your imagination. You understand? So you're free to do whatever you want to do. No restrictions whatsoever. Alright guys. See you later.